I'm Stewart Angus. I'm the coastal ecologist in Scottish Natural Heritage. Listing the wonderful attributes of machair could take a long time. There are so many of them. Machair is quite an unusual habitat because in order for machair to form, you need about 7 different things to be exactly right. And these circumstances have only come to place in the north of Scotland and the west of Ireland, and these are the only 2 places in the world you find it. Yet it is the traditional form of cultivation that gives it its incredible conservation value. Well, I come from a machair island. I come from a stone away in the island of Lewis, which, even though I'm a proud Lewisman, I would have to admit doesn't have the best machair. That accolade would have to go to the Uists, and even though I'm a Lewisman, the Uists are really my favourite place to be.